Okay, so we'll be going to discuss here the 4 by 4 matrix, getting the determinants as well. So suppose that we are having that one right now, so we'll be going to definitely identify first what will be the cofactor in each cases. So for the 9, it will be the cofactor identified at first will be 6, 7, 4, 2, 6, 4. Then 5, 2, 2. Can do it. Something like that. Then, so the next cofactor that we'll begin to get here will be the 7, which will be the 7 will be 8, 8, 1, 7, 6, 2, and 4, 4, 2. So it will become 2 right now, and we'll begin to, it will become 8, 6, 4, 8 through 4, and 1, 5, 2. So we just base in the first row, okay? So for the 4, it will be 8, 6, 7, 8, 2, 6, 1, 5, 2. Then getting the determinant for this, we'll begin to definitely step by step the process. So for this year, will become the 6 times 6 times 2 minus 4 times 2. Okay, that will become 12 minus 8. So it will become calculating that 12 minus 8, it will be basically 4. 6 times 4, 12, 24. That's how you will do it. Next will be the 7. So for the 7, it will be basically 2 times 2 minus 4 times 5. So it will become 4 minus 20. So what you're gonna do, for calculating that 4 minus 20, it will become negative 16. So times into the 7, it will become negative 112. Afterwards, getting the 4, for your 4, it will be 2 times 2 minus 6 times 5. So it will become 4 minus 30. So for this one right now, 4 minus 30, that will become negative 26. Then multiply that into 4, it will become negative 104. So what we're going to happen right now, since we already come up with a 3, be mindful that it will become following positive, negative, positive, since that is the first row that we are basing. It will become 24, then minus negative 112 plus negative 104. So what you're gonna do for that, basically, you will do 24 minus 112 will become plus, then plus the negative of 104, it will become 240 for this one right now. So we're done with that first for the 9, but we'll begin to we'll begin to get first the 3 by 3. We'll begin to continue later for the next process. So 8, it will become 7 times no, it's not 7. It will become 6 times 2 minus 4 times 2, and 8, 12, minus 8, 12. That is 4, then 8 times 4, that is, for your 8 times 4, that is, of course, 32. And for the 7, cofactor will be 8 times 2. Sorry, that takes it. Please. Let me just go ahead and we're gonna 1 second. Because of the delay. My iPad was so tired already because um of this work. Let me just continue. Where are we with our discussion? Right? So for this one right now, what will going to happen in your next position, you will continue for the 7. Okay, so 7, the cofactor of your 7, that is 8 times 2 minus 4 times 1. Basically, 17 minus 4, and then it will become, for the 16 minus 4, that is 12. Then 12 times into 7, it will become 84. For the next one right now, 4, the cofactor will be 8 times 2 minus 6 times 1 will become 14 minus 6. So what's going to happen will become 4 times 10, and then it will become 40. So afterwards, what you will do is we're done, plus minus the same thing. So you will follow the same principle that we were able to do. So what you'll be going to do afterwards for this, since this is 40. Take note. Okay, okay. For that. So positive 3 minus 84 plus 40. So since we're able to 3 minus 84, then plus the 40, by calculating that, it will become negative 41. Okay, so for this one right now, 8 will become 2 times 2 minus 4 times 5, then 8, 4 minus 20, so it will become 8, then for minus 20, that will become negative 15, then times this into the 8 will become negative 128, and afterwards for that, 6, get the cofactor for 6 will become 8 times 2 minus 4 times 1, and it will become 10 minus 4. So it will become 12 times 6. Multiply that into 6, it will become 72. Then the 4 will become 8 times 5 minus 2 times 1 will become 40 minus 2. It will become 38 times 4 times 4 will become 152. So for this one right now, it become negative 128, then minus 72 plus 152. So what you're gonna do for 128 minus 72, then you will begin to add 152. It will become negative 48. So that's the base cycle. And for this one right now here, 8 will become 2 times 2 minus 6 times 5, it will become 8 and 4 minus 30. Then 8 4 minus 30 will become negative 26. So 8 times 26 negative, that will become negative 208. Afterwards, from 6, then gonna do 8 times 2 minus 6 times 1. 12, 16 minus 6 from 10 from 60. And 37 will become 8 times 5 minus 2 times 1 will become 14 minus 2 will become 38. Then this 38 times 7 will become 206. Calculating that one, negative 208 minus 60 plus 266 become 208 negative minus 60 become plus 256. That equates to negative 2. So since you're able to calculate that already, we will begin to do 240 times 9 since it's here. Um, then negative 41 times 7, negative 48 times 2, then negative 2 times 4, and the width. So, well, for this one right now, this is 240 times the 9, that is 2,160. Then, for this one, negative 41, negative times 7 will become negative 287. Then, negative 48, then times into 2, that will become negative 96. Then, negative 2, then times into 4 will become negative 8. So since this is the first row, plus negative plus negative plus negative, so it will become 2060 minus negative 287, then plus negative 96 minus negative 8. So what we're gonna do, we will be going to calculate that 187. So plus 96 negative, then minus 8 negative. So it equates to 3,359. And for this one right now, that will be the determinant of your 4x4 matrix. Okay, I'm sorry because we have something wrong here. This one, this might be the error. 24 minus here, then minus 112. It must be plus negative 104. It must be 32. Not like that. What I've reviewed. So what you will need to do right now, just update that. It will become 32. Let me rectify that one. So we'll be going to update here 32 times 9. So it will become 288. So what we're going to happen, remove this. So the answer will be not like that. It will become 288 minus the negative of 287, then plus the negative of 96 minus the negative of 8 will become 487. So let me just review first before ending the video. Okay, I found something wrong right now in my calculation because of the thing that the automatically exit earlier. So I found that once I review because in my program it's not the same thing. So 8 times 4 here. So the when you will be going to calculate the 8 times 4, that is 32. So that's why it's not correct in our calculation um because of our program exit earlier. So that's why it happened like that. So let me just rectify that. So 84, then 40. So here you will be going to 32 minus 84, then plus 40, it will become negative 12 supposedly. Negative 12. So for this one, it will not be like this. So basis here, negative 12 times, sorry, times 7. So negative 12 times 7, that will be negative 84. So what will happen? In your second, it's not negative 287. It is absolutely negative 84. So once again, we'll calculate 288 minus 84, then plus 96 negative, then minus um 8 negative. So it will become 200 254. So that will be the um answer for our determinant for this one. So that is absolutely the correct answer already as what I've identified in my program, and that is definitely correct already. So I'm so sorry for that inconvenience because um I really not able to see identified where um was I mistaken. So that's the correct term already right now. So make sure to review everything you have to do as like this in your examination. So just don't forget everything that's going on. Every the mistakes that we had earlier was practice